Imagine stepping into a hospital where robots assist with surgeries. The walls are designed to withstand earthquakes, and every room can change as new technologies are created. Well, guess what? Hospitals like this already exist. These engineering wonders are a mix of both medical and civil engineering innovations. In this video, we'll explore some of the most expensive and high-tech hospitals in the world. Each one shows how far engineers can go to create places that are not just advanced, but also stunning. Let's dive in. The first hospital we're going to talk about is the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia, also called CHOP. It's in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and they're working on a cool new project called the Schuylkill Avenue Project. This project is expected to be finished by 2028 and will cost an incredible $3.4 billion. CHOP will have the latest in children's healthcare, including high-tech robotic surgery rooms and AI-powered systems to monitor patients. It will also have something called telemedicine, which will provide a way for doctors to remotely care for patients using video calls and other technology. But what really makes CHOP stand out is its civil engineering design. The hospital is located near Schuylkill River, so engineers had to think about the risk of flooding when planning and building. Their solution was to use elevated foundations, which means they raised the hospital several feet above the ground. This way, even if the river floods, the hospital will stay dry. They also installed an advanced drainage system around the building, which will help keep water away from important areas. The hospital's design includes green spaces or gardens on different levels of the building. And these gardens do more than just look nice, they actually help the hospital. They absorb rainwater, which reduces flooding and provides natural insulation to keep the building's temperature comfortable, saving energy. And to build the facility, engineers are using a method called modular construction. This means that parts of the hospital are being built off-site and then brought to the location and put together like giant puzzle pieces. This method not only speeds up construction, but also makes it easier for the hospitals to adapt to new medical technology in the future. Next up, we have the new Royal London Hospital in the United Kingdom. This hospital is set to be completed in 2026 at a cost of over £1 billion, which is about $1.3 billion. This hospital combines the latest technology with a design that's good for the environment. When it's finished, it will have high-tech operating rooms and a fully integrated patient information system. This system will make sure all the patient's information is organized and easy to access, helping doctors and nurses provide the best care. It will even have AI-assisted tools to help doctors make quick and accurate diagnoses for their patients too. From a civil engineering point of view, this hospital is really impressive. Engineers use sustainable construction materials, which are things like recycled steel and low-carbon concrete. Low-carbon concrete produces less carbon dioxide when it's made, which is better for the environment. The hospital is also designed with a modular layout, which means parts of the building can be easily expanded or changed in the future without disrupting the whole structure. It's like building with Lego blocks. The hospital can grow or adapt as healthcare needs change. Even though London doesn't have many earthquakes, the new Royal London Hospital was still built to seismic-resistant standards. This means that the building was designed using standards that will protect it from damage during earthquakes. Engineers use something called base isolation technology in their designs. This means the buildings sit on a flexible base, which lets the structure sway during an earthquake. By allowing the building to move with the shaking, it reduces the risk of serious damage. For more on how buildings are made to survive earthquakes, check out our other video on earthquake-proof cities. This kind of smart, forward-thinking design helps make sure that the hospitals can keep running smoothly, no matter what challenges come its way. Next, let's check out the new Stanford Hospital in California, which was completed in 2019 at a cost of $2 billion. This hospital is packed with the latest medical technology, including robotic-assisted surgery rooms and autonomous robots that move supplies around the building. Because California experiences a lot of earthquakes, the hospital had to be designed with safety in mind. Engineers use base isolation technology here too, but with a twist to fit California's specific needs. This technology works by placing the building on flexible bearings, which act like rubbery legs to absorb the shaking and let the building sway safely during an earthquake. This helps protect both the hospital and everyone inside from serious damage. The hospital also features a rooftop garden with similar concepts to the chopped green spaces. And it also provides natural insulation, which helps keep the hospital cooler in summer and warmer in winter, saving energy. And inside, engineers design the building so they have a modular layout. This will allow engineers to easily change around patient rooms and treatment areas as medical technology advances and they need a different layout. This way, the hospital can adapt to the new needs and stay up to date for many years to come. The US and England aren't the only places with high-tech, expensive hospitals. Abu Dhabi in the United Arab Emirates has some incredibly advanced hospitals too. One of them is the Cleveland Clinic Abu Dhabi, completed in 2015 for $1 billion. This hospital is constantly being upgraded to stay ahead of the latest medical and engineering advancements. So, what makes this hospital one of the best? It combines nearly every advanced civil engineering technique into one building, making it technologically advanced, energy efficient, and ready for the future of healthcare. First, let's talk about its sustainability features. The hospital has a special glass facade on the outside of the building that blocks a lot of the heat from the desert sun. This keeps the inside cool and reduces the need for air conditioning, which is super important in a hot place like Abu Dhabi. By lowering the amount of heat entering the building, the hospital saves energy, making it more environmentally friendly while also keeping patients and staff comfortable. Inside, the Cleveland Clinic Abu Dhabi uses an automated waste collection system. This system moves waste through underground pipes, so staff don't have to handle hazardous materials. Not only does this help keep the hospital clean, but it also lowers the risk of spreading germs, which is super important in a medical environment. Now, let's explore the hospital's deep pile foundation. This type of foundation includes long, sturdy columns that are driven deep into the ground to support the building. This design keeps the hospital stable even if the top layers of the ground shift or erode over time. In Abu Dhabi's desert environment, this type of foundation is very important because it allows the hospital to remain secure and functional no matter the conditions above or below the ground. The Cleveland Clinic also uses a modular construction method, similar to the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia. Remember, this method means that different parts of the hospital are built like puzzle pieces. This allows for easy expansion or changes to the hospital layout in the future without interrupting the hospital's operations. If a new wing or high-tech medical unit needs to be added, it can be done smoothly. But what really sets Cleveland Clinic Abu Dhabi apart is its mix of high-tech medical equipment and future-ready engineering. It has robotic surgery suites, advanced patient care systems, and a design that focuses on energy efficiency and adaptability. This hospital shows what's possible when cutting-edge technology meets world-class engineering. And there you have it, the top high-tech hospitals changing the world of healthcare and civil engineering. From earthquake-resistant designs to special glass that blocks heat, these hospitals are more than just places for medical care. They're amazing examples of modern engineering. It's incredible to think about all the planning and skill that go into building spaces where advanced technology and patient comfort fit together so perfectly. These hospitals show that the future of healthcare isn't just about medicine, but also about the walls, foundations, and structures that make it all possible. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about the civil engineering marvels in the world of healthcare. Be sure to check out our videos about other high-tech advancements, like the one about 3D printing our world. And remember to like and subscribe to our channel because engineering is for everyone.